Cancer, what's poppin'? Song that's playing for you ain't no music, it's an advertisement. So you may be at a standstill right now. Whether you may be trying to think of what you need to take care of emotionally, internally, how you need to feel internally, whether you trying to come up with habits, hobbies, routines, and ideas, or you just feel about a certain investment, person, place, or thing that will bring to your foundation. It's like you thinking about taking care of something, or you thinking about building on top of something and or nurturing. Damn, see, you got a second advertisement. You thinking right now. Look, because you may be taking care of, or you may have made an investment, and it ended up being the devil and putting you in a place to do what? Straighten some shit out. Or you need to straighten some shit out. You good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Straining. Yeah. Straining. Yeah. Yeah, look, boom. You turned your back on an emotional offer. You look, you're not working on, you ain't working on something no more. Whether that's a relationship, wow, that was from last week, that's crazy. Yeah, you thinking about something though, okay? It's like you turned your back on something. It was like you was crying over spilled milk, period. Now, then you became the king of your life. You became the emperor. You took back charge and you realized you was crying over something that was already lost and or fallen. And you turned your ass around and pursued because life goes on. So you was like, hey, all right, cool. I'm done working on that. Let me take charge. Let me come up with some ideas. Let me come up with a plan. Let me manifest. Hierophant. So now you're projecting your truth. Look, now you may be sitting on some truth too, right? It's like you turned your back. It's like you holding back communication regarding something. You already feel like something's expressed. You feel me? It's like what's understood don't have to be explained type shit. You feel me? So you just there contemplating. You just like, all right, now let's see what move occurs next. Almost is what Cancer says. Look. You sitting there regarding it something, but now it's like you may eventually move. But right now you just looking at something. You like, right? You walked away from something you was emotionally attached to. You detached from something that was harboring you to be in a negative state regarding your emotions. You were fixated on something that wasn't working, but you turned around. Now you're in a state of, regarding what you communicating, or whether some you want waiting for communication. Look, you got the Three of Swords, the Three of Cups. You got a cup coming to you, and you sitting on some communication. Whether you going to somebody or somebody's coming to you. You, regardless, somebody got something to say to you, or you got something to say to somebody, and it may be the truth. It's like somebody sitting on the truth. You know the truth, but you still sitting on it. You know what something is. You know how shit is. It may be something regarding your feelings. It's like you remembered you had something behind you. The whole time you was looking at all this bullshit, you always had something. Now you just sitting. Now you may be thinking about it because you feel like something's already expressed in some way, shape, or form. So you feel no need to communicate. Look, and because of that, you ain't moving emotionally. Or you don't, it's like you don't want to move emotionally. But look, on the split, you may want to move quick to something. You want to see how you want to bring that sword, the 444, how you want to communicate whatever truth this is. You want to communicate that motherfucker quick when you decide to do so, goddammit, because you feel like something will help you obtain the world it is you wish to manifest. Or, look, I'm telling you, behind that was the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Swords. You want to take your feelings somewhere, and you don't want to fuck it up. So you it's like you're sitting on something now. You just waiting. What is this? Feed me dope. Hey, I don't know, Cancer. Look, I'm telling you, you know how you feel regarding something. I need water. And you done being toxic. Or you are done. It's like you detached from a devil, a negative habit, person, place, thing, hobby. And I go, what about a water? That's crazy. I'm gonna fuck with you though.